Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M53 smartphone, and let me show how you can download and install the Opera browser on this device. So first of all, you gotta go to the Play Store app. Here at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, we gotta tap on the green install button. So wait for the Play Store to load. Tap on this install button, wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed. As you will see now, it will not take a lot of time, so we'll just wait. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and open the Opera. Here, tap on continue. Next we gotta choose whether we want some of the features this browser has to offer to be enabled from the start, or we can skip and leave their configuration for later. In my case, I'll enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser. Here, tap on allow, and we are all set. Alrighty. So that was it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!